I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money from your NatWest account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Locate an ATM. Find a NatWest ATM nearby. You can use the NatWest app or website to locate one. Make sure it's a cash machine that accepts your card type. Step 2. Insert your card. Insert your debit or credit card into the ATM. Ensure that the card is facing the right way, as indicated on the machine. Step 3. Enter your PIN. Once your card is accepted, enter your 4-digit PIN. Be mindful of your surroundings to keep your PIN secure. Step 4. Select Withdrawal option. Choose the withdrawal option from the menu on the screen. You may also need to select the account type, such as current account or savings account. Step 5. Choose amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you're withdrawing cash from a non-NatWest ATM, you might incur additional fees. Happy banking!